In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to download and add stickers to your digital journal using Samsung Notes, so let's get started. First, go to the download page of your Ultimate Life Journal and find the sticker section. Tap on the download text, and this will take you directly to the Google Drive folder where the sticker files are stored. To download all the stickers at once, click on any single file, then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything in the folder. Once everything is selected, tap on the three dots right here and choose Download. The files will be downloaded as a zipped folder. Now open your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder or wherever your files are saved. Then find the zipped sticker folder and select Extract All. Choose your location. I will keep mine in the Downloads folder, then tap Extract. Open your Samsung Notes app and load up your journal. I'm using the Vision Board page to show you, and since this gives us a nice clean space, I'm going to tap the insert icon right here. You will find it on the right-hand side of your screen. Then select Image. This will open your gallery by default. Since we just extracted those stickers, they should now appear in your image library. Tap on the sticker that you want to use, then tap Open. Your sticker will be added to the page, but by default, it may be anchored to the text. That means that you can only move it to the four corners of the page. To fix that, right-click on the image and select Remove Anchor to Text. Now you can move the sticker anywhere you want on the page freely and creatively. And that's it. Now you know how to download, unzip, and add stickers to your journal in Samsung Notes like a pro. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.